Right, guys, can you all look up here for a second? Will you take out your Gaeilge books for me?
I hate Irish.
Oh my god, I cannot stand Irish. What a pointless exercise.
I know, like, I'd rather listen to my dog barking.
Actually, you need Irish to graduate from public school and get into college.
Whatever. Oh my god, we both said that at the same time. Oh my god, we both said that at the same time also. Pick a colour. 3, 2, 1, blue.
Lads, Eishtigi.
I wonder why everyone hates Gaeilge so much.
Probably something to do with history or something.
Well, actually, the reason everyone hates Gaeilge and the reason none of us are good at it is because of the British invasion of our country and the fact that they tried their best to destroy our entire language.
So you're saying if they never came, we'd be speaking Irish right now?
Basically, yes, and the famine wouldn't have happened, Ireland would be united, and we probably would have won the Soccer World Cup by now as well, statistically speaking.
How did they even get here in the first place?
Were you not listening in history class last week?
Not really.
Well, basically, during the 12th century, Ireland was ruled by a number of powerful families led by chieftains. Many battles for power occurred among these chieftains. When Mhuire-Eochaill became a High King of Ireland, he banished the King of Leinster, Diarmaid Mac Mhuire, from his lands.
Get out! Yay!
Diarmaid, being a bit of a baby, typical Leinster fan. Shh! As I was saying, wrote a letter seeking help from King Henry II, who was King of England and Normandy.
Hello, peasants.
Henry said he would help by sending over a Norman lord called Richard de Clare,
I will help by sending over a Norman lord called Richard de Clare.
better known as Strongbow.
Oh la la, je m'appelle Strongbow.
He agreed to help on 3 conditions.
I want to land in Ireland. I want to marry Diarmaid's daughter Aoife. And when Diarmaid dies, I want to be the King of Leinster.
The Normans landed in Bannow Bay in Wexford in 1169, and Strongbow married Aoife the following year in Reginald's Tower in Waterford City. During the capture of Dublin, Diarmaid suddenly died, and Strongbow became King of Leinster. Henry II got a little bit jealous and thought Strongbow was getting too big for his boots, so he decided to come over and proclaim himself the Lord of Ireland. So essentially, the English arrived because Diarmaid Mac Mhuire sent them a letter inviting them. Cue 800 years later, and here we are.
So Diarmaid Mac Mhuire sending that letter caused a chain reaction of all those other events.
Precisely.
Wouldn't it be cool if we had a time machine to go back and change it all?
Well, there is that old myth about mixing Coke with Pepsi.
What are you talking about?
They say if you mix the two, then it creates a hole in the space-time continuum. Though I wouldn't recommend actually doing it.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Like, yeah, do fish get thirsty? Or like, why doesn't glue stick to the inside of the bottle?
No, I was talking about the Coke and Pepsi thing.
Oh.
That would be a terrible idea. This is a terrible idea!
Relax, guys, it's probably not even going to work.
And how do you know that?
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Wait, where did you get those anyway?
In the staff room fridge.
What? Teachers get fizzy drinks and we don't? So unfair.
Here goes nothing.
Where are we?
I think you mean when are we?
Gosh, it's roasting.
Well, we must be in the future then. Global warming isn't a myth, folks.
Who are you talking to?
Forget it.
No, actually, it's boiling.
I can't imagine any place worse than this.
Get us out of here now! Wait, what year is this?
What do you mean? It's 2020, obviously.
Okay, guys, zoo quiz, round 1, question 1.
Lads, I think I might be coming down with something.
No! I was wrong. This is way worse.
Anything but this. Get us out of here.
Oh, no. This can't be right.
Oh, look, a twig. Don't touch anything. Even the slightest change could have drastic consequences.
Oh, I'm sure it'll be fine, guys.
If you don't want to be dinosaur food, I suggest you start pouring. Now! This looks more like it.
Are you Diarmaid Mac Mhuire?
Are you Diarmaid Mac Mhuire? The whole entire Irish race depends on it.
Tá brónar ach níl mór an bearlagam.
I think we're going to have to use Google Translate, guys.
I don't think there's Wi-Fi or data here till 11:69. Diarmaid, selfie.
I can translate, it's no problem. Also, you're not supposed to have your phones in class.
Whatever.
Oh my god! Don't! Start that again.
Wait, you can speak Irish?
Of course. Unlike you two, I actually listen in class. On to sa Diarmaid Mac Mhuire. Tá sé anna táchtach.
Sin misha, agus céad thusa.
Tá míad ón Tawací. Tá sé fear táchtach nach seolfar an litter atá de lábhagat. Breathin gach rud air.
Tell him that Munster's way better than Leinster also.
Quiet, you are not helping. Faic, Diarmaid. Tá de harloag má seolan tú é.
So you carry that book everywhere?
Is cumlam, tá mar riocht caiite agam, agus is mílam í atal arás.
Oh my god, this guy. What did he say? He's being difficult.
How about we'll tell him that we'll post it and then just destroy it?
That's actually not a bad idea. Tá brónarm Arís. Tá míad ón oifig an phuist. A tá míad an seo chun de litir a cheola dis.
Oh, servís den sco atá ann. Seo dit é.
It worked.
What an idiot.
He's what the Irish, we would call an Amadon.
I thought you didn't speak Gaeilge.
That's the only word I know.
Of course it is. Now let's go back to the future.
Hey, that's a good name for a movie.
Tommy de Rasharís.
Oh my ear. Bhí sé sin de cresa. Fan? Cá tá tarlú?
Cataragat. Cataragum.
Tá mé caint tá scuilga agus tá Gaeilge furfa agam.
Fic. Tá an task déanta gwyn. Tá súlagum nar ahar game rodilla. Cadar tú don deir seachtainna?
Bhí kosher betla agam. Cad fús.
Oh, go bra.
Nishtag Togimak voor lauwer Beerle.
Is full on Beerle.
Is beag gra atá is gepéisce is fallan dina atá stuma samú Tá sail siúróga dan sif gra tigam garga riwais sin gubra sin